This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a BMW 1 Series in neutral. Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake firmly. Keep your foot on the brake, start the engine if required, then move the gear selector to N with steady pressure. For electronic systems, release electronic parking hold first and confirm the instrument cluster shows N before releasing the brake. Shifting neutral differs between manual and automatic BMW 1 Series cars, so follow the correct steps. With a manual, press the clutch fully and move the lever to neutral, then release the clutch slowly if needed. For automatics, use the selector to reach N while holding the brake. Some cars require the engine running. Always check the dash indicator shows N and ensure it is safe before releasing the brake. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading owner manuals, service guides, or leisure books while waiting on the road. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes shifting to neutral can be tricky, and a few checks solve most issues. Ensure ignition state and brake pedal requirements are met, as some BMWs lock the shifter without them. Consult your owner manual for any model-specific neutral release or valet mode procedures. If the lever remains stuck or you are unsure, avoid forcing it and contact roadside assistance to prevent transmission or electronic damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.